is one of the techniques. We have certain lung capacity, we use only small portion of the lung capacity. How to increase the lung capacity? Deep abdominal breathing. So it's all of you sit forward in a chair, spine erect. Let us do the practice. Eminent authorities, very important. I am covering that breathings, which mean this Yogi Ramacharaka statement in Hatha Yoga book. Eminent authorities have stated that one generation of correct breathers would regenerate the race, and disease would be so rare as to be looked upon as a curiosity. This is a statement of Yogi Ramacharaka 120 plus years back. Eminent authorities have stated that one generation of correct breathers would regenerate the race, and disease would be so rare as to be looked upon as curiosity. We will today make you practice these breathings. Please be alert and attentive, be receptive. You can validate it by experimentation, by practice. You have to empty your cup to be able to understand this and practice this and take benefit of it. It is free. Oxygen is free, sunlight is free. This human heritage given by great teachers, including Yogi Ramacharaka, is free. So do not underestimate the power of simple things. Understand this statement, validate by practice. The first step of breathing one has to learn is this. Only after deep abdominal breathing can we think of other breathings. Deep abdominal breathing. So put one hand on your belly, spine erect, sit forward on a chair. Connect your tongue to the upper palate. Push the belly in little bit. Little pressure. And slowly move the belly. Once you push in, hold. You see the belly has to be pushed in. You may not be able to do this much, at least little bit of it. Hold. Connect tongue to palate, push the belly out. Hold. We will do rhythm later. First, let us do this. You are holding after it. Again, push the belly in. Exhale now. As you hold, exhale, 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 keeping the belly in. Exhale completely as much. Start inhaling slowly, the belly automatically will come out. If you are not able to do, you can lie down and practice. You will be able to do. Hold. Holding is important. We can discuss why, but do it. Exhale, belly in, slowly, smoothly, hold. Inhale, belly out, slowly, smoothly, follow the rhythm, hold. This is 6-3-6-3 rhythm. Exhale smoothly, 6 counts. Hold, 3 count. Inhale slowly, smoothly, 6 counts on your own. Hold. Exhale smoothly as the belly goes in. Continue the process. Hold. This is the way the breathing is done. Again, continue.